All right, so what you don't really know is that manipulating the market is easy. Even like some individual traders manipulate the market. I'm not talking about platforms and the big banks. I'm talking about like individual traders manipulating the market. All right, it's easy. Uh, it's like you need some a capital in order to manipulate the market. So this was my latest trades. All right, let me just open with $200 and let's go down. So I got a signal and I want to share it with you. As usual, I'm using my own strategy. So let's go down first. Yeah, let's go down. So I'm using my own strategy that I always use on my trading and in this channel. The strategy is simple, based on some on four indicators and some chart patterns. The strategy is explained in the course in the description of this video, or you can go directly to the link binarystrategycourse.com. And if you are already a student and you have already accessed the course, please go to chapter 5 episode 3. There's some updates there. We changed some values using MACD, especially MACD. So please go back there because the market changed lately. Otherwise, you can develop your own strategy, do your own education, do your own research, and develop your strategy, test it and back test it on demo account. And yeah, because if you are starting with trading, you must have a good trading strategy. So let me take the first win, 258, $258. Great. I guess we will, perhaps, I'm not sure, but perhaps we are going to open another down position like this one. Yeah, see, it started at the end of the latest position. Yeah, this one was clear, but the previous one was a little bit simple. So a downtrend. So let's open a down position as usual. Yeah, a down position. So as I was saying, when starting out in trading, especially for beginners, and trying to develop your own strategy, it's often advisable to focus on long-term gains rather than expecting quick profits from day trading or short-term gains. So please focus on a long-term, because you are not going to make profit this week, this month, or the first year. It took me like 5 years to start seeing real profit. All right, so you better wait for long-term gains, and this can be beneficial for you, especially in the beginning, because this will give time to the learning curve and your skill development. Because trading is complex. Day trading and scalping are complex and are often fast paced and require a deep understanding of market dynamics. So you must understand the market you are trading on. You must first choose the market and then understand the market, right? You must also understand technical analysis. You must have a quick decision making, and this takes time to master these skills. So you must give yourself time. All right, another win. So yeah, this one I said was clear. This one was indicating a downtrend, but this one, yeah, reversal. Yeah, clearly a reversal. We will start to see an uptrend. So with $200, let's go up. Oh, sorry, with $300, let's go up. So as I was saying, like, to master the trading ecosystem, it takes time, and expecting immediate profit can lead like to frustration and poor decision making. So I don't want you to get involved in that. I want you to be comfortable with your trading. So patience to learn. Give yourself time to learn. When you are new to trading, great. So as expected, not a green candle, but yeah. Next also Wait, yeah. Next, also an uptrend. We are going to see an uptrend again. Let's go up. Let's. What I was saying is like, so when you are new to trading, the focus should be on learning how the market works and improving your strategy. So that's the two things you must focus on at the beginning. Focus on the market, how the market works, what affect the market, what's the dynamics, actions taking place in the market, and also uh, develop a strategy with in the same time while you learning the market, not just making quick money. Like you are not here for money at the beginning. At you are here to learn. So long-term gains gives you the opportunity to learn gradually, understand your mistakes, and adjust your strategy with the without feeling like pressure to earn right away. Just give it time, right? You will not make money at the beginning. If you are trying to make money at the beginning, you just lose your money. All right, so another down position, just like trading is like building any new skill. You don't become an expert overnight, right? In football, I mean, basketball or any skill, you don't get an expert. You don't become an expert overnight. So focusing on long-term growth allows you to improve constantly and make like fewer costly mistakes, especially when you are trading binary options. One mistake can cost you a lot of money. So please be careful. Yeah. I guess a reversal. I guess. Yeah, we should go up. Yeah, I guess we should go up next. That's what I'm. That's what I'm about. All right, let's go up. Also, why I told you to give yourself time at the beginning, because this will help you get the emotional control and discipline, especially day trading and scalping. This kind of trading requires mental fortitude. So day trading, especially as I said, scalping can be like mentally exhausting. Every decision needs to be quick, precise, and based on logic. Yeah, based on logic rather than emotions. Yeah, let's go down now. Let's go down. I guess the market will start going down, and yeah, it's unclear somehow unclear. So as I was saying, it's exhausting day trading. Uh, like every decision and every prediction needs to be quick, precise, and based on logic. So don't use emotions. So without discipline, impulsive decisions can lead to like a lot of losses or heavy losses. So also avoid over trading, especially at the beginning. If you are not 100% sure about the position, don't over trade it. Just because beginners are often tempted to over trade, like entering too many positions, and this is unhealthy. I guess we still have another. Yeah, we'll have another position to open. This one, yeah, another down position, I guess. Yeah, another down position, no problem, I guess. Yeah, um, yeah, with $300, let's go. Yeah, let's go down, but just wait for it. I guess, yeah. All right. So as I was saying, please avoid over trading. Like this, over trading increases the risk of emotional trading, which can lead to losses. So this, just think about it. So by adopting a long-term view, waiting for your gains in a long-term view, you give yourself the space to analyze the market calmly. And that's what I want you. I want you to be comfortable. So stick to your strategy and avoid unnecessary trades. And yeah, this is not financial advices. Please, guys, understand this video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not financial advisor. I'm not telling you that you make the same amount of money. Binary options is risky, and this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money. You will lose, and you may lose if you are not careful. You will lose your money, especially will lose money that you can't afford. So please, please, please spend time in learning, spend time in testing your strategy on demo account. Yeah, give it time, and with experience you will feel more comfortable, and then you can start trade with real monies. But before, please be careful. So let me take the last win. I hope that you enjoyed, guys. Yeah, yeah, I guess this is the last one. I don't believe that we still have another chance. It was a beautiful signal. We made enough profit. So see you later.